What's up guys, so the Huawei Mate X arrives, is official now. So it does come with a 55-watt supercharger. It is a foldable display. So it also comes with 5G connectivity based on Huawei's motor. So the company claims it's the fastest 5G phone. Like I said, it's got that 55-watt supercharge, making it the fastest charging smartphone. Also, it has up to 85%. It can charge up to 85% battery life in 30 minutes, which is crazy. So in tablet mode, the Mate X has an 8-inch screen with a resolution of 2480 by 2200 pixels. When the device is folded, the main part becomes a 6.6-inch display with 2480 by 1148 pixels, which is known by aspect ratio of 19 by 5 by 9. So it looks really cool. I think it looks a little better than the Galaxy foldable device. So Huawei is advertising this guy as the world's thinnest foldable phone at 11 millimeters thick. It also, when it unfolded, it's 5.4 millimeters thick. So you do have the 4000 milliamp battery, which is crazy. You do have a USB Type-C port on the bottom and a fingerprint scanner, doubling down as a power button. So they are starting this guy at $2,600, which is crazy expensive. It is more expensive than the Samsung Galaxy foldable device. So what do you guys think? Let me know and I'll catch you guys in the next video.